Okay, guys, today I'm going to go over another one of the calls that we talked about in the room this morning. Today, February 19th, Tuesday. ESRX was a gap that gapped up here, and you can see here on the charts it gapped above green. But what I liked about it mainly was it gapping over multiple pivots here. This was one of the favorite gaps this morning. It was gapping over a weekly pivot here, and I liked that an awful lot. The problem was it was gapping a bit too far. So now if we drill down to the 5-minute chart, we can see that on a 5-minute chart, it started to come in immediately right away. And let me go back to this. And once we got down to this level here, I said it's approaching the gap fill. And the gap fill here on this area right here on the ESRX was right around 5550 area. The high of this bar last Friday was 5560. The close last Friday was 5557. So the call was, once it got down to this gap fill, when it got down here, I said that you could look to buy it at 5561 and stop it just below the close of Friday. Now the close of Friday was 55.57 and the half number is very close by, so I said in this case 55.48 because often a stock will stop at the half number. So let's see what happens here. So the entry was 55.61, the stop was 55.48. It would have been a 13-cent stop. You can see that it came all the way down here and it gapped right off of that area. The low of this bar was 55.49. So it held my entry by a penny, and now if you go to the 5-minute chart, you can see it just shot straight up from here. And I said this could be a huge winner before it even happened if you took this trade here with a very small stop, and that's exactly what happened. And if you see on the 5-minute chart and you trail it just on a 5-minute bar by bar method, once it got up here, you would have got out here, even on bar by bar, you would have got at 56.78. And 56.78 from an entry of 55.61 is a pretty big move. It's a 9-hour trade. That's a 9-hour trade, filling the gap and just playing it bar by bar. Now if you play it on a 5-minute pivot basis, you'd still be in, and you would have stopped out right here under 56.66. And even at that, even if you use that method, you're talking about 8 hours. So 9 hours on a bar by bar method, 8 hours on a 5-minute pivot method. Either way, it was an excellent trade. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or give us comments. And until next time, we'll see you next time at TradingWinks.com. Thank you.